Hello everybody, Truman 5000 here with a little update on my Italian Switchblade menagerie. I've got a couple that you may not have seen yet, and you know how I like doing these videos. It's been a couple of weeks, so here we go. But first, do you have any friends that really don't like to buy things online for whatever reason? Well, a couple of my friends know that I'm a Switchblade guy, and there's a little knife shop up in Kansas City that we sometimes go to. I go there to laugh at the prices, and I just can't seem to convince these guys to order from the online people that I've been ordering from for, a couple years or so. Case in point, the Milano, the Taiwanese, Italian style, the Switchblade. It's usually regarded as, if you really don't want to start off with an Italian, well, the Milano is probably the way to start out with. Well, this little shop has them for 69 bucks. And of course, we all know we can get them for anywhere from $19.95 up to, I'm thinking, like 31 bucks. And I told them this, but so, they rather pay double and drive for 2 hours. Oh well. But anyway, I try to get these guys to come online, but I don't know, for some reason they just won't. But anyway, let's get on with my Italian Switchblade update. Up first, I think I'll go with the Stag. It's a little Stag I picked up from the guys over at Sharperdeals. Check out the slabs on that deal. And they call it a tactical simply because all the hardware has been blacked out, but collectible, still a serviceable stealth weapon, of course. And like I've told my sisters through the years, the best weapon to have is the weapon that your adversary does not know that you have. So definitely, if you're just walking around, definitely a last ditch, but it is cool. Bayonet blade, typical Frank B coolness, nice, clean, everything just about right. Very nice, very nice. Very reasonable price too. Very reasonable. You gotta check out the guys over there, Sharperdeals. Here you go. Classic in Snakewood. These are both 11 inches. Look at that wood on that baby there. Look at that. That is gorgeous, ain't it? I hope I got enough light on it. Enough light. And like I said, typical Frank B. Clean, cool, nicely put together. Stainless, brass liners. Beautiful wood. Beautiful wood. And the bayonet blade, of course. There's my TV again. Y'all know me. That's a really nice light on those blades, ain't it? Alright. Snakewood. Also got this from my guys over at Sharperdeals. I think I got this one from Rick. And I'm going to let y'all in on a little bit, but I'm not going to tell you everything. There's a new handle material coming out, but it'll be new to me. And let's just say the opposite of this material is already out there. And many of us have one. Many of us Switchblade guys have one, but we don't show people. That's all I'm gonna give you. I hope to be able to show it to you next week. Alright? There's something new coming. And the old Trollman's gonna have a hold of one pretty soon. Well, there's the update. 2 new 11 inches Stag Swinger Tactical. Yeah, like I said, that makes me laugh, but a weapon of stealth mainly. Ease up on somebody. We're not going there, are we? Alright. And that stag, man, look at that. That is crazy thick, ain't it? Bayonet. Alright. And the cool snake. Snakewood. That is cool. I'm going to get another one of these. I'm trying to find one in the swing guard, but somebody told me that they are all gone. Come on, YouTube. Find me one. A swing guard, Snakewood. Frankie B, 11 inch. Alright, guys. I am out of here. You all have a nice day.